are taking you on a financial journey to see exactly how much cash a family of 4 splurges on a fun outing here in the Philippines.
No, no, no.
What's happening, guys? You're watching Mom Duty. Join us as we travel around the world. And make sure to watch till the end where we tell you the final spending total.
Alright guys, our fun outing today is SM Mall of Asia, aka MOA. So we're not too far, we're about 9 kilometers from BGC, and it's gonna take us about 35 minutes, hopefully, if we don't hit any traffic.
Alright guys, today's accounting for our financial journey is going to be Agent IRS Mr. Knox and Agent IRS Miss Nia. So how much is that Grab ride, by the way?
It's 449 pesos. That's a little. Which is $7.50 in US.
Not too bad for a 35-minute ride. In the US, it would have cost probably like $40. We're already saving money. Good stuff. Take me to MOA.
Take me to church. I would dance it on a Saturday night.
I can feel your tent. I love a table tonight.
I believe everything. I don't know the lyrics. Here's a fact. Filipinos are very, 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 very good at karaoke. Let me just show you a little clip of some Filipinos singing singing karaoke. Mommy, it's supposed to go like this, okay? Uno, dos, tres, karaoke time. Mama, it's supposed to go like this.
Okay, say it again. Shoot, sorry.
Wow.
I'm having a hard time
You can
holding
tell
this
the
camera.
one behind the scene, behind the camera is Mom Duty. She's not used to it.
I'm shaking.
Okay, so you'll see some Filipinos sing karaoke. 1, 2, 3, go!
By the way, this is our first time going to MOA. This mall is supposed to be one of the largest and most popular malls in all of Philippines. Okay, so our goal here today is to do 3 things. To go New Year shopping, to find a delicious restaurant to eat at, and to hopefully go ice skating. Yes, they have a full-on Olympic-sized skating rink here. So first things first, we're gonna go to the ice skating rink to make sure we get a time slot so that we can go ice skating today. Hi. No, 6 o'clock is sold out.
You willing to wait for 9 p.m.?
She's gonna be asleep.
There's so many people.
Are you guys okay with a 9 o'clock time slot?
I'm gonna go to bed that time.
You're gonna be in Dreamland, skating in Dreamland.
Oh my God, this place is so big that they have a huge giant Christmas tree 3 floors tall. Okay guys, I just found out that this mall is 4.2 million square feet. What?
It's so big they even have a merry-go-round.
And they have over 1,000 shops and restaurants.
This place is so big they even have archery. And laser tag. This place is so big they even have a slime factory. And even cosplay kids, which is indoor playground.
Alright, this place is ginormous. You can probably spend a few days here just exploring this place.
I have to use Google Maps to find places inside the mall.
Okay, you know what I'm noticing here? There's a bunch of people here with costumes.
They have a cosplay event going on, so there's so many people in costumes.
A what play?
Cosplay.
That's the first time I've heard of cosplay. Huh?
No.
Yeah.
Take
Can you tell me
pictures
what a cosplay is?
Costume play.
So it's a costume play. Why did you say
Yeah, I
costume?
thought it was like Anime.
Oh, it's anime. Wait, let me tell you.
Okay.
Cosplay is dressing up as your favorite TV show, anime, or game that you like, and dressing up as the person. Okay.
I must really love you. I must be the weirdest person because I love shaved ice without
Thank you.
syrup or toppings, just plain ice.
How much was that? What's the cost?
55 pesos.
$200 Around that.
What's two?
That is $5 US dollars. This is so big it even has a marching band.
The fun never ends, baby.
Okay guys, I'm gonna treat you guys, okay, to my shop. I have a shop here at the world's biggest mall. Right here. Ocampo's Jewelry.
I love the word shopping. It's music to my ears.
Ditto, girlfriend. Melvin, do you want me to get your name? Do you want me to get your initial? No, it spells out no. My name is no.
You have to stay within a $5 budget, yeah.
Ooh, is under 300 pesos? Over? It's over.
Oh no.
600.
Oh, you're over your budget. She's over her budget.
The damage is 620 pesos for Mama, and yeah, they spent so much.
Yeah, what's that in dollars converted? If you don't get it, you're gonna have to return it back.
$11.
$11? That is correct. You get to keep it. Let's go.
So the shop of choice is H&M because they have the cutest stuff, and they have family, so they have girls and women. And by the way, it's really hard to shop when there are boys around with cameras like following you. Mia, see how cute this little, whoa. Okay, you're in my face. You're in my face, sir.
You know, your budget here is gonna be $6.
Okay, I can do that.
For you, MomDuty, you get a $10 budget.
Okay, that'll be like for my earrings.
Okay, it's 508, okay? I'll give you until 520.
Wait, okay, ready?
Set, go.
Mama, we have until 5:20 for that.
Oh, challenge, sir. Challenge.
It's a challenge.
Challenge.
The clock expires, the money expires.
Have this, Mama.
So what is your inspiration?
I have no idea.
Tell me what you're thinking
I'm
about.
all purple. Lavender. Purple is my favorite color. So I'm doing
Hey,
This is
I
more
can
like
tell.
a pinkish,
Whoa.
like pink on
Yeah,
pink.
that's pretty purple. Girl, you can sport that, girl. I like that. It's very silky, girl.
More color.
More color.
Okay.
Girl,
not fun.
you don't need that much color when you're already colorful, okay?
Oh my god.
Whoa. Is that for you, MomDuty?
Now we're gonna go ahead with a more subtle color.
Whoa, what is that?
Something Grandma would wear.
Noxie just said this is something that grandma would wear.
Grandma.
Grandma, do not want.
Okay, let me see this. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is
Yeah, this
so
is
cute,
me.
girl. Yeah, that is so you, girl. You go. That's it. Tell me about it, MomDuty.
Oh, look it. Should she go funky and like casual and be comfortable, or she should be bedazzled?
Oh, definitely that. Come on now. That is no match. That is one of a kind, Nia. Oh, with this? Okay. Come on, girl.
I say we get both for backup.
Yeah,
What?
you're done. Okay, we're good now.
Okay, are we done?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, we're done. Okay. Hey, it's 5:19.
Mom didn't even get anything.
It's okay, I have something.
You wasted all the time, Nia.
No, it's okay. I don't want to go anything. We can go. I can go later.
But a happy wife is a happy life.
Okay, let's go.
No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Mia, your budget is $2. If you go over that, you can't buy it.
Did you go over your budget?
Yes, please.
Oh, I definitely went over the budget, Mama. 3,490 pesos.
3,490 pesos.
We went over by $60. Well,
Wait, they have an IKEA here. This mall is so big, they have an IKEA and they have a convention center. Wow, that's a lot.
Okay, so there was the main mall. Now we're the entertainment mall. This is the other one. And then the north.
go up.
So we just crossed over the bridge and now we are at SM Bay. This is where the theme park is, the carnival rides, Seafood Island where we're gonna be eating soon. But it's such a cool vibe here. I feel like it's like a ginormous picnic with tons of people and the twinkling lights and everybody just enjoying food. It's amazing.
And yes, there is an amusement park at this mall.
Oh my god!
Pretty cool. Oh, look at all these rides right
All
here.
these bikes! Yeah, you want to do bikes after we eat? Thank you.
So we have chosen Seafood Island where they have boodle fights. Now, I am Filipino, so I've had boodle fights when I was young. But Rocio has never had a boodle fight. And you guys have never had a boodle fight.
just seafood?
Are you guys ready for a fight?
What do you
We'll have to fight for it before you eat.
Oh no, who am I gonna fight?
That's what a boodle
Do I
fight
have
is.
to fight Nia? No. Yeah.
I just looked it up.
Oh, you did it? You looked.
I looked it up because I was like, what is a boodle fight? Why do they call it a boodle fight? I don't understand what they call it, but I just know it's a type of food that originated in the Philippines. And it's like they lay out this banana leaf where they put all the food and it's like a communal type of way of bonding while you eat. It's kind of like a buffet. And you just go at it without using utensils. Use your fingers.
Yeah. No, you use your feet for this, guys. Okay? You have clean feet?
No. It's seafood.
Then we can't eat.
Oh no.
I'm just joking. You have to use your hands.
Yeah. Fishy finger.
Oh, you guys use your hands anyway. Great ambiance.
I love it. It's very chill.
Yeah.
The weather is great.
It's a great place to go right before sunset because you have Manila Bay here and Manila Bay has the best sunset there is. Pretty cool how all these people are just lined up in the boardwalk, just chilling, literally just chilling.
From the Visayas po, ma'am.
Wow.
Okay. This one is pork chicks, seafood kebab, and grilled inasal bangus, and chicken inasal, ma'am. And salada, eggplant, ma'am. Saute mussels po. And plain pastel rice po with that chicken on the top.
And
po.
then this
This one is kansi bulalong. And this one is papaya salad.
papaya salad.
Who's ready for the boodle fight?
I am.
You lose the boodle fight if you use these right here. Okay?
I'm gonna try the rice out first. Here's like rice.
Got noodles, sapa. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And I got eggplant, ensalada. That sounds good too. I'll have some of that. And I gotta have my chile. We've got pineapple, shrimp, some fish, and squid. So I will eat that.
That chicken? Look at her. You're too cool.
I do this every single day, so I remember noodles is the best, and the chicken, and then the rice, my favorite.
Noodles are bomb. Some kind of fish. Wow, it's like smoked barbecue. It's really good. You gotta try.
Ah, it's so good. So how's your first boodle fight?
It was amazing. I loved it. I love my. Actually, this is the best fish I've had since I've been in the Philippines. That was the coolest surprise ever. Oh my, I think everybody was surprised. Everybody just turned around and started like shouting that there are fireworks and they were in Christmas colors.
What's the total now?
So dinner cost about 2,129 pesos. It's pretty good.
What's that?
Which is $38.
$28?
No, 38.
38?
Yes.
Wow.
Good for you.
That's amazing. That would have cost us like $100 in the US.
Amazing.
Yeah, we've had a lot of fun, but it's not over yet. What are we doing next? Wait, these guys want to do bikes?
Yeah, they want to do bikes.
They want to do bikes before ice skating. Wait, what happened, Knox? How come you can't get the bikes?
I'm too tall. You have to be 4 feet or under, and I'm over.
Wow, you same problem as Daddy. We're gonna have tall people problem.
Oh no.
Mhm.
Oh no.
You're growing up, buddy. You're growing up. 24 rings for 200 pesos.
Okay, let's try.
Winner, chicken dinner. Did anyone win anything today?
Yes.
Yes.
They can't fly on the red.
Let's go. Oh!
That's really close.
I know. Oh, it bounced off. Oh, it bounced off. Oh. I can't help it. Oh, we'll do that one.
Okay, I got 3 tries. Here's the winner. Let me stretch. There you go. This is for you guys. This is so hard. I just lost. Oh, what's that, Knox?
I know the trajectory for this
You
one.
know the trajectory for this one, okay. No pressure, guys.
We have a running, but
You got a lot of people.
Oh, let's go, Knox. Oh.
gaming ha with gently.
Oh.
Come on in. You can do it in.
Oh. Come on.
Good try, good try.
Five. So that's 17.
19 points.
19 points. You're gonna
Got a
medium.
medium.
Winner.
Winner.
What'd you
Yay.
get?
Good time. And there's probably like 2 stars in there.
It only cost us
You
$20.
wanna go look over there? So the total cost for gaming is 1,100 pesos.
what is that in dollars?
Let me calculate in my head. With a low calculation. $19 and yeah, just $19.
So we are heading back to the main building, so we gotta cross this bridge through the entertainment building and into the main building where we were at the start. Again, we got the 9 o'clock spot and it is 8 p.m. So what's the cost accounting?
1,470 pesos, including everything for 2 hours, and a polar bear, which is basically like a little scooter that you can do on the ice. Balance, but I don't think that you need that.
What's that in dollars?
$26 for all of us, right? Yeah.
All 4 of us?
Yeah.
So $26 for all 4 of us?
In US, 2 hours. I think in US, each person would be like $26.
So probably be like $100 for all 4 of us for about an hour. So this is a great deal. We're saving bucks. Give me some.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no.